Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the features in Windows 10 and 11 that still a lot of people don't know it exists. It is available in the Pro version of Windows, and it actually is a great tool if you want to run software, but you're just not sure if, you know, there could be some danger of malware or anything. You're not sure what to do exactly, and you want to make sure that you don't get a virus in your machine. Well, it's the famous Windows Sandbox. Sandbox, of course, is not installed by default. What you need to do is have it install when you try it for the first time. There's a few check marks that you have to put in one of the settings box before you actually have the Sandbox running. But once it is activated, Sandbox is definitely great. This is, in fact, a Windows within Windows. You're running a Windows 11 operating system in what is a closed environment. That's why we call it a sandbox. Here, what happens in there does not seep into your PC. It is its own computer. It's as if you had a different laptop or a different computer and were running code. So it will behave and work pretty much like Windows 11. And every time you start it, it starts from scratch, which means it's like a clean install of Windows that starts on your PC. And you can, conduct your experiments there. If you want to tweak, maybe you want to learn more about Windows, the Sandbox is a great place because you can go and start playing around and change things around. And if you break Windows, well, it doesn't matter. If you break Windows, what's going to happen is you just shut down the Sandbox and restart Sandbox again. And the Windows Sandbox will bring you a fresh new copy of Windows that works great. So you can't break that Windows forever. If you do, you just restart the Sandbox and you're back with a new functional Windows. So it could be a great way also to learn how to use Windows, how to modify things, play with the registry. Here, if you hurt the operating system, well, all you'll have to do is just close it and say, okay. Remember, it never keeps anything from your operating system that you were doing in that Sandbox, which means that if you close it, you also lose all of the changes that you have done to the Sandbox. But it's a great way to learn. It's a great way to try software that you're not sure of. And, it is great because it is really isolated from the main computer. If something happens, you just shut down the Sandbox and nothing bad will happen. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.